Now, to obtain the raccoon pet in Roblox Grow a Garden, you will need to hatch it from a night egg. The raccoon is a divine tier pet introduced during the Lunar Glow event on May 10, 2025, and it has a 1% chance of hatching from a standard night egg, or a 3% chance from an exotic night egg. Now, you need to know how to acquire night eggs. Now, there are several methods to obtain night eggs. Number one, Lunar Points Reward Track. Offer moonlight crops to the wise owl to earn lunar points. Reaching specific milestones such as 70, 210, 240, 290, 320, and 430 points will grant you a night egg. Method 2, Blood Moon Shop. During the Blood Moon event, which has a 33% chance of occurring every in-game night, a special shop appears near the wise owl. Here you can purchase a night egg for 25 million checklists. Number 3, you have the Robux purchase. If you prefer a quicker method, you can buy night eggs directly, 1 for 199 Robux, 3 for 575 Robux, or 10 for 1699 Robux. Now we need to know the Racoon Pet Abilities. Once you have the Raccoon, it exhibits a unique passive ability. Every 15 minutes, it visits another player's plot, duplicates one of their crops, and delivers it to you. This duplicated crop doesn't affect the other player's resources. While the duplicated crop is often common, there is a chance it could be a rare and valuable one, making the raccoon a potentially lucrative pet. Tips for maximizing the raccoon's potential. Now, to enhance the benefits from your raccoon, coordinate with friends, team up with friends who have high value crops by joining their server. Your raccoon has a better chance of duplicating valuable crops. Utilize multiple accounts. Some players use alternate accounts to plant specific high value crops, increasing the likelihood that the raccoon will duplicate these desirable items. Stay active during Blood Moon events. Since the Blood Moon shop offers night eggs, being active during these events can provide more opportunities to obtain the raccoon. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.